In this presentation, I'm going to be discussing when it's a good idea to sell new items on Etsy. Many new Etsy shop owners have questions about when they should add new products to their online shops. You may be wondering whether timing really makes a difference, and if so, you've come to the right place. Etsy is a great place for people to sell their handmade crafts, jewelry, clothing, and pretty much anything under the sun. Sometimes posting new listings during certain times will help drive traffic to your Etsy store. Let's get right into it, shall we? Consider when there is demand for items. One important thing to think about when adding new items to your Etsy shop is when people usually want said items. Some items might be more popular during specific times, like the holidays. For example, if you make personalized Christmas ornaments, the holiday season could be the best time to introduce new designs. Knowing when people are looking for specific products will help you plan when to start listing your new items, so that your Etsy shop matches exactly what customers are looking for. Consider how long your best-selling items have been on the market. Another thing to think about is how long your current best-selling items have been on the market. If they've been on the market for a while and aren't selling as much, adding new items to your Etsy shop might help give it the boost it needs. Keeping your shop's inventory fresh and up to date with the latest trends can attract repeat customers and keep your store interesting for potential buyers. Consider what's trending. Keeping an eye on what's trending in your Etsy niche is always a smart move, especially if you're trying to figure out when to add new items to your shop. Take some time to check out what people are searching for and what's popular on Etsy, and list your new items based on what's trending. This way, your shop stays competitive as well as relevant when it comes to what your customers want. Take advantage of special events. Etsy also offers chances for sellers to join special events and sales, like on Black Friday, for example. Taking advantage of these times is always a good idea, and it tends to be a great time to introduce new items to your shop as well. Timing your new product releases with these events can make your shop more visible and might even lead to more sales. Take customer reviews into consideration. Listening to what your customers have to say is one of the best things you can do when you're considering adding new items. Reading reviews and chatting with customers is a great way to find out what they like and what they're looking for. If you're getting a lot of questions about certain products or features, it's a sign that there's a demand for new items in that area. Paying attention to customer feedback will allow you to customize your new products to fit your customers' needs. Check your shop's analytics. Looking at your shop's analytics is also a great idea. Check out the numbers for sales, page reviews, and how often customers are interacting with your shop. This data-driven approach can help you decide when to introduce new items, since you'll be able to get a sense of when exactly people are visiting your Etsy shop. So there you have it. Keep in mind that this is going to take some trial and error, and that sometimes it takes time for people to notice that new listings have been posted.